Looking for the ultimate garden tidy tool? The VonHaus Blower is your all-in-one solution for cleaning lawns, patios, gutters and driveways. Powered by a 3000-watt motor and featuring a 35-litre back capacity, it easily tackles piles of leaves. It sucks, blows and mulches all in one go, keeping your garden pristine all year. Its 10-meter cable and comfortable harness make garden cleaning effortless and stress-free. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Pelle Sol Blower, your all-in-one garden hero. This 3-in-1 tool functions as a leaf blower, garden vacuum and mulcher, making yard cleanup effortless. Its powerful 3300-watt motor provides quick, efficient clearing of leaves, twigs and debris. With an extended 12-meter power cable, a spacious 45-litre collection bag, and ergonomic wheels and shoulder strap, it ensures comfort and convenience. Our door space pristine with this versatile gadget. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy and powerful way to tackle outdoor cleaning? Meet the DeWalt Leaf Blower, a lightweight and versatile tool that makes yard work a breeze. Weighing just 3.4 pounds, it features a comfortable grip, adjustable blowing tubes, and a sleek speed display with a maximum speed of 18,500 revolutions per minute and airflow up to 3.5 cubic meters per minute. It's perfect for clearing leaves, snow or dust in your driveway, garage or car. It's cordless, offers freedom of movement anywhere. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile and powerful tool to keep your garden tidy? The Bosch UniversalLeafBlower is your perfect solution. With its strong centrifugal blower, it quickly clears away leaves and garden debris. It features 2-stage speed control, allowing you to choose the right power level for your needs while reducing noise and extending battery life. This all-in-one garden tool is lightweight, easy to handle, and makes yard work enjoyable. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to make your outdoor space spotless and manageable? The VonHaus Leaf Blower features a powerful 3000-watt motor with 2 adjustable speed settings of 134 miles per hour and 185 miles per hour, making quick work of leaves, dirt and debris. This one-button operation lets you start cleaning instantly, while the lightweight 2.25 kilogram design and easy grip handle ensure comfortable handling. With an 8-meter long power cord and quick assembly, cleaning and storage are a breeze. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Makita DUB185Z, a versatile and powerful cordless blower perfect for your cleaning needs. With variable speed control, you can easily adjust the airflow to suit the task, while 3 different air volume settings allow for precise performance. It features an impressive maximum air velocity of 98 meters per second and can function as a vacuum when paired with a dust bag. Designed with a battery protection circuit, this tool combines strength, safety. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Glowica Leaf Blower, the perfect tool to make yard and outdoor cleaning tasks effortless and enjoyable. Equipped with a powerful motor and innovative turbocharger technology, it delivers high airflow and efficiency while keeping noise low. With 3 adjustable speed levels, you can easily tackle dry leaves, grass clippings or damp debris, reaching speeds of up to 257 kilometers per hour. Its cordless design, lightweight, comfortable handle mean you can work freely in any space. Comes with 2 4.0 ampere-hour lithium batteries for up to 2 hours of runtime. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.